So, you've got your hill locked down. Well, no one else knows about it. First things first. Make sure the people who live in the neighborhood or the area in which you're hosting your slide jam know what's up. The first point of contact should be you. Let them know about your event, the date, and what to expect. Inform them that you guys have safety in priority. You'll be watching out for your friends, spotting for cars, and playing it safe, not skating when there's any cars you guys can see. So, you've got a big bustling community. Rad. But what if your community ain't that bustling? Well, if you see a skater down the street, why not go up, introduce yourself, ask for their phone number, and let them know about the event. Then you gotta let your friends know.
Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
In our modern era, it's pretty easy to make an event on Facebook. So all you really have to do is go to the Create Event page on Facebook, name your event, pick a date, preferably on the weekend where most people can attend, and far enough out so people can make plans with work, preferably anywhere between 18 to 30 days out. Put the location, make it public, pick a cover photo to show the vibe of the slide jam, and make sure to make a detailed description to let everyone know what to expect. The more detailed about the hill, the better. If you have access to a skate community Facebook group, go ahead and invite them all. Create a post letting people know what's good and how they can help to make the event better. Let them know that just being there will be helpful. That's how they can help. Hey Josh, how's it going, man? Yeah, just wanted to see, what are your plans for June 17th? People have lives, and things like skate events sometimes slip through the cracks. But giving them a friendly phone call reminder ain't a bad thing. Check in with your friends, make posts, call them, text them, make sure they remember that the event is coming up and you want to see their face there. Hey, I just wanted to check in, see if you're still planning on going to that slide jam coming up. Asking for money for your efforts is not a bad thing. $5 from everybody can go a long way and feed a whole slide jam. Buy some waters for people. I can gather some money to reimburse you on the way. Another key point of the slide jam throwing is that you want to get film of it, or photos. So hit up someone who you know that likes to take photos and video and would come out to film your event. Make sure they know about it in advance so they can come out and make a day out of it. Getting photographers and videographers early is a key part to making a slide jam successful. Good energy, good people, and it's going to make for some great photos. You want to come? Great, man. We'll see you there. I'll send you an invite on Facebook. All right. Peace. Find out who your local longboard supplier is. Hit them up on Instagram or through their email on their website and let them know that if they share your event, that would be super awesome and really help the attendance. Skate shops want to build community. If your event builds community, they'll likely share it. Invite them out themselves. Show them the event page, let them know what's up, and that you'd love to see them there. If you don't have a local skate shop, hit up the one in the nearest city near you. Let them know what's going on. They'll be stoked to hear there's something happening out in the woodworks. Lastly, you want to promote your event somehow. So Instagram is a really good way to do that. Make a post on your Instagram account, use hashtags like the name of your event, and try to link the event page in your bio so people can have quick access to the event information. Show a hill preview or someone skating it to get them hyped. And now you've got a pretty solid platform to spread the news about your event. The next time, we're going to go into actually throwing it on the big day.